2012 BMW X5M. Classic X5. This thing's a sweet ride. It's a famous YouTuber. He's doing YouTube channels. You guys can see him over there. He's got the camera. All right, he's doing YouTubes as well. We're doing YouTubes. It's called Inception, guys. All right, YouTubers. Stay tuned, guys. Anyways, X5M. We're doing X pipe in the middle. He brought in some valvetronic mufflers. They were way too tight. Doesn't fit in the back end. So we're swapping them out for vibrant ultra quiets. Getting a nice, clean, deep tone custom axle back with some Gexhaust tips. And then Gio's mocking up this X pipe. He's running the X pipe right here, so we get some equalization. This car does not come with any equalization on there, so we pop this thing on there for equalization, guys. So as you can see, the two independent pipes, like I said, no equalization. The stock muffler was the equalization. We're getting rid of those, running a custom axle back on there. And then you do have two sets of resonators up front. We're leaving those for now, just so we can get some clean, crisp tone out of it. Later on, he might decide to delete them, but as of right now, just popping the X pipe in here, and then running the two pipes connection, and then two vibrant ultra quiets in the back with some quad tips. So we're running these right here, some carbon fibers. Gonna look pretty sweet. Vibrant ultra quiets in the back, and then like I said, we were gonna install the valvetronics, just way too big, a little tight, don't really fit in the back, so we're swapping it out, doing a little bit of a different system here, guys. So vibrant ultra quiets in the back, the carbon fiber tips, guys. Got the vibrant system all done. Got the two vibrant mufflers in place of that stock muffler. You guys saw it. You see how this one fits? This is how it's supposed to fit, like a glove, real tucked in there. Got the heat shield kind of covering everything, making sure it doesn't expose the interior to any heat. And then you got the carbon fiber Gexhaust tips, fits in there like a glove, like I said earlier. So we got the X pipe installed as well. Got a stamped X pipe for forced equalization. And then you kept the stock resonators like I mentioned earlier as well. So we're gonna drop it, we're gonna crank it, show you guys this red interior. It's pretty pimp, very clean 2012 X5M. And yeah, it's gonna sound like a tank, guys. So let me know what you think. Got the BMW all done. You see the red interior, red on red on red. The whole car is red and black, looks pretty sweet. Got some old carbon fiber trim on there. But yeah, it came out pretty sweet. Customers happy, nice, clean, deep tone. You could go a little bit more aggressive in my opinion, delete those resonators. So if you had, if you have this kind of car, this kind of X5M, do the resonator delete up front, X pipe it to equalize the flow, and then two performance mufflers, definitely the way to go. So yeah, I think it sounds pretty sweet. And if you need a job like that done, you know where to come. Gexhaust Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park, and a bunch of stuff like this available at Gexhaust.com. So Gexhaust out.